what price range we're in? And we can probably get one for $80 or $90.
Yeah.
If that's the case, we'll get one before the 24th.
Alright, glad you guys got to be a part of that, hearing our master plan for camera acquisition. Just doing a real quick one today. We are going to do a 2013 SPx. I haven't opened any of this product yet, so, but I've seen a lot of stuff and it looks really nice. So we're gonna give it a shot here. See what we can do. As always, check us out on casehitbreaks.com for fun and exciting breaks for children of all ages. Alright, looks like we got 10 packs in here, 5 cards per pack, so let's see what these bad boys look like. Like I said, I've seen a lot of really good stuff coming out of here. My LCS, Grandpa Sports Niles, has had a lot of good to say about this, so I figured I'd finally give it a shot, check it out. And just as a refresher for everybody, we'll be doing a 2013 Inception case break. Pick your own team. Spots are still available on casehits.com. We will be doing that break when the product releases, so it looks like July 24th at 8 p.m. Alright, in our first pack, we've got Billy Cannon, base. Daryl LaMonica, base. Finite rookies out of 9.99, Landry Jones. Archie Griffin, base. And Steve Young, base. I'll probably set the patch off to the side when we come across it. So, just giving everyone a heads up there. Pack number 2, we've got Jerome Bettis, base. Ronnie Lott, base. Joe Namath, base. Bruce Smith, base. And one of these die-cut hollow foil Tyler Wilson base inserts, rather. Alright, there's definitely a jersey in that pack, so we'll set that aside. Pack number 4, Roman Gabriel, base. Earl Campbell, base. Emery Blake, autograph, numbered 103 out of 299. Andy Katzenmoyer, base. And Joe Washington, base. Pack number 5, we've got a John Hanna, base. Anthony Carter, base. Tim Tebow, base. Jake Plummer, base. And numbered 447 out of 899, a Finite Legends of Jim Kelly. Pack 6 over here, we've got Ken McAfee, base. John Elway, base. Warren Moon, base. Dan Marino, base. That was like the all 80s quarterback club right there, short of Montana in there, and an SPx holofoil thing insert of Dennis Johnson. Should still have 2 autographs left in here, or a jersey or something. Definitely got something thick in this one. Oh, okay. That's cool. Don't know how rare those are, but it's still cool nonetheless. First card is Eddie Lacy, X cut insert from Alabama, and then we have a Don Maynard shadow box. Not numbered, but still pretty cool. They're really interesting looking cards. You need a thicker one. Okay. Pack 8. Ty Detmer, base. Jason White, base. Andre Ware, base. Rodney Peete, base. And number 161 or 181 out of 299, Robbie Roos, autograph. Pack 9, Charlie Ward, base. Paul Hornig, base. Doug Flutie, base. Eddie George, base. And Finite Rookies 485 out of 899, Robert Woods, rookie card. And in our final pack before we open the patch situation, we've got another jersey. We got a jersey in here. George Rogers, base. Warren Sapp, base. Aaron Rodgers, base. Roger Craig, base. Johnny Latner, base. And a Winning Big Materials jersey, 194 out of 250, DeAndre Hopkins. So back to pack number 3. We have a Ken Stabler base, a Jerry Rice base, a Steve Owens base, an Alan Page base, a Robert Smith base, and a jersey autograph 69 out of 475, Tyler Bray from the University of Tennessee. So that's it. We got 2 autographs. We got our jersey autograph. We got a nice jumbo jersey, and we also got a shadow box, so that worked out well. Be sure to join us for our 2013 Topps Inception Break, July 24th, 8 p.m. Spots still available at casehits.com. Look forward to seeing you there.